Hey, so I did my PowerPoint on the importance of physical activity for the geriatric population. Oop. All right, so I start off here by saying that the geriatric population, it includes anybody over the age of 75. And basically during this stage of life, there's a lot of changes that occur in the body, and they have been kind of starting to happen for a while. Mainly it's you lose a lot of your muscle mass, and then your bone density starts to dissipate as well. All your body systems, your immune system, cardiovascular, all that, those systems start to deteriorate as well. Regular physical activity is an environmental stressor, and it has positive effects on health as it reduces inflammation, delays aging, and it protects against serious age-related disease in the body. So it's very beneficial for people that are starting to lose these. The geriatric body, as the body enters the geriatric stage of life, a lot of changes take place. Like I said, muscle mass has been decreasing for years with bone density. Regular exercise, physical activity is necessary to help combat that because it can help kind of put some of that weight back on and density. But also the body's immune system starts to slow down, and that regular exercise, getting out and just even walking, it gives you a slight boost to help combat illness and all that could be going on in you. And then a lot of people think that, like, if you have to go to the gym and push around a bunch of weight, that's not really necessary during this stage, because obviously you can't have people that are going to be pushing around that sort of weight at that age. But the real, like, even just going for short walks, someone in this cohort could be benefiting from just short walks and doing various other exercises, walking up and down stairs a couple times, and it does the body a lot of good. During this stage of life, the mind actually ages pretty rapidly as well. It has a lot to do with, like, the speed of attention, or like the speed of information processing, memory retention, and then being able to keep attention. That starts to all deteriorate. And then I found this nice little quote here. When we have better mental health, our physical health outcomes and recovery rates improve. And when our physical health is good, we are less prone to common mental health problems, such as anxiety and depression, which really becomes a big issue once you reach this final stage. You don't want to be living with anxiety and depression. You just want to kind of be as level-headed and enjoying life in your final stages. Here's some workout examples. So swimming's a good cardio workout, and it also helps to increase your muscle mass. It's also positive because it's low impact, because you're in the water and your body's kind of suspended there. So people that are frail could do it quite easily. Yoga is also very good. Has some of the same, like, cardio and muscle building exercise or characteristics that swimming has, but it also helps with, like, core stability, which is good because you don't want a bunch of old people falling over all the time, and total body mobility, so you can help them get around, and it's going to improve their lives. Body weight training, so that would be like examples of doing air squats or chair squats, simple wall push-ups, and climbing stairs. That's a great way to just kind of keep those muscles working and make sure that preserves the muscles as well. There's a lot of social benefits for the active lifestyle on the geriatric population. During this stage of life, a lot of people, they're experiencing a lot of loss of friends and relatives and stuff like that. So being able to go out and meet new people at the gym or in swimming classes and stuff like that could be very beneficial for them. And then emotional benefits. So as aging occurs, in some instances, the geriatric people can be on an emotional roller coaster. Like I said earlier, depression can happen. You lose people, you lose your mind, you lose your body, you lose all of your abilities. So doing some workouts helps to preserve not only your body, but also your mind. And exercise does that by filling the body with endorphins that are proven to make you feel good. So that's a plus. And then I got my works cited page here. So, yeah.